Good morning, students. Pronunciation. Approximate in that these are consonant sounds that are produced by bringing one speech organ, such as tongue or the sound lips. You have to see the initial portion, medial portion, and the final portion. Like t, l, r. Example: lamp, lid. Initial portion. Medial portion or medial portion: fla, seal. Final or last portion called feed. So with respect to the words, you have to write them either in initial portion or final portion. Next, if you see few more examples of this grammar part, we are having adverbs. Adverbs are there which here modify the verbs or the adjectives or other adverbs. They add meaning to the word they modify. Like the old man walks slowly. Slowly, the adverb slowly is modifying the verb walks. The place is very peaceful. Peaceful is okay. Very peaceful is modifying here. So adverbs of manner are mostly seen for us. Adverbs of manner are how something happens. She came in quickly. She ate. She sang swiftly. Frequency, how often something happens. How does the he goes to the market daily, frequently, rarely, like that. Time, when something happens. Students have a farewell party today. Place, where something happens. He wants us to wait outside the room, inside the room. Degree, the intensity of the degree of something. The new shop is too far, too near. So mainly concerned with adverbs of manner. If you see, come, dash before it finishes, quick, in the brackets. So adverbs of manner, come quickly. Next, if you see adverb of time, I reached on time because I left home dash early. Adverb of frequency, adverb of time here. So early, I reached on time because I left home early. My sister, correct the error in the use of adverbs in each of the following sentences. If there is no error in the sentence, put a tick mark in the space provided. So now let's see this. My sister always worked hardly. My sister always worked hard. Like this we have to write the sentence. In exam we will write the sentence by writing the answer with Roman number and answer number. Fill in each blank with the correct adverb from the choices given below. If you are given a box of adverbs, from that you have to select few and then insert it in a paragraph. They can give you as a paragraph or as sentences. Next is vocabulary, palindromes. Palindromes are those words, when you read them right to left or left to right, they mean the same. Like example, noon. N-O-O-N, noon. Either from front side or from back side, you are having the same spelling, same pronunciation. Bib, peep, tot, madam, refer, level. Wow, civic, noon, the same way. A part of the body dash I, E-Y-E, from this side or from this side, left, both mean the same. This can also come for exam. Next, when you see spelling, derived from form of words, noun, verb, adjective, adverb. Like attraction, if it is the noun form, verb form you have attract, adjective form you have attractive, and then adverb form you are having attractively. So attraction, attract, attractive, attractively. Next, if you have the word power, noun form power, verb form power, adjective powerful, adverb powerfully. Next, if you see punctuation, inverted commas. Inverted commas are mostly used as a quotation mark. Shakespeare said, all the world, a world is a stage. So we have to keep the inverted commas. Identify the sentence that has been punctuated correctly. One of the example, 2 or 3 sentences will be given. We have to see which sentence there is perfect punctuation, and we have to keep a tick in the textbook. With respect to exam, we have to select which one is the correct and we have to write it as the answer. Conversation, we are having interview skills. Preparing for an interview, facing an interview. Both are important. It can come for 5 marks. Both the stages are important to write. First, when you are preparing for an interview, what you have to do? You have to brush up on your subject, on your area on which you are going for an interview. Next, you have to prepare answers to some general questions, like they may ask, tell me about yourself, how about your schooling, like that. Next, we have to be positive. We have to be as far as possible in the formal dress, and we have to reach the place little bit We have to reach the place little bit early. This is preparing for an interview. Later, when you see facing an interview, like when you attend the interview, what you have to do, you have to wait for your name to be announced. Then you have to go inside by giving a knock. You should not peep inside. Next, you have to greet the people, those who are there in the room, in a formal way, in a pleasant way. Do not sit down until you are asked to. Look at the interviewers, be conscious about making eye contact with them. Our tone of voice, slang, dialect, everything, we need not change it, but see that it's clear. We have to listen carefully to them, then we have to give a response. We should not interrupt in between the interviewer when they are speaking with us. Politely ask for it if you don't understand the question. Later we have to add your reply by saying the answer. Do not get into any of the arguments with them, and do not boast of yourself. Boast of something, I know them here, and at the last thank them for giving their time to you. Sample interview is given candidate and manager, so this can help us. Generally it may come for 5 marks question. Next, reading passage, we are having handicrafts of Telangana. Under this, if it comes, we have to write about what are handicrafts, then how many types are there. Under one type, how they are famous. Like arts and craft of Telangana have always occupied a distinct place in India. Later we have Banjara needlecraft, Bidri ware, bronze casting, Dokra metal crafts, lacquer ware, Nirmal artwork. About each one of them, if you write 3 points also, it will be well and good. When you are seeing the writing part, last time we had seen the informal letters. Formal letters are also there. With respect to formal letters, you have to see the address, date, to whom are you addressing, the salutation, the subject, very short, then the body of the letter, complimentary close, super salutation, and last the signature. If enclosures are there, you have to mention about the enclosures also. So formal letters, see that you are writing it in a very dignified way, neat way, clear way, and precise way. 2 questions are given for us in our textbook. Write a letter to the principal of your college requesting him/her to grant you permission to leave early every day for a month so that you can attend an evening course that you have joined. This is a repeated question. Next, when we see the soft skills, etiquette and grooming. Etiquette and grooming are normally necessary for us. We should be in a courteous behavior, well-behaved way, acceptable by everyone in the workplace or in social situations. Everyone should like us, and we should also be in the comfortable level. We have to be punctual there, greet our colleagues, keep our workplace things tidy. We should not speak. We should not speak loudly. We must be honest and fair. We should not try to avoid to help them unnecessarily unless and until they ask us. Do not try to avoid responsibilities. Respect. We have to respect. We have to respect. We have to respect other people's feelings. We should not damage the office property. We have to behave well and good. We have to see that our dress are also in a proper way, mostly formal way. We have to maintain a good posture or else we may get into any health problem. Next, when you see value orientation, necessity is the mother of invention. This is a proverb which everyone knows. Necessity is the mother of invention. Unless and until it is necessary, we will not go on with any work. Unless and until we think out of the box, we can't think about doing something. So we have to put things properly in their place and then we have to work on. Unless and until it is necessary for anyone, they will not go further for any invention or discovery. Next, the last topic, Julius Caesar, Shakespeare retold. Shakespeare is a well-known dramatist, playwright. There is more to say about him, but as far as we are having in our textbook, English drama achieved a master's brilliance in his time. He is a famous person from the English language. A few points about Shakespeare. Later, when we see about Julius Caesar, this particular story we see, this is a real one, where we see with respect to Rome, Brutus, Antony, and then we see Julius Caesar.